Hello, I'm very happy to to wrap up our mini program together. I had the opportunity to meet the ZISER team, the accelerator startups, to get to know more in depth the ways people in Croatia think, absorb information, how do they mix everything and blend everything up in order to make valuable information for them. I was very happy to see the team of the accelerator embracing um, and caring so much for the startups. So any type of, I would say, information and knowledge and training and mentorship that I have provided was really very much accepted um, from the team and from the accelerator startups. I had a very interesting time. I'm always very intrigued by understanding the differences between startups in different countries and different cultures. Um, and I was very, I would say, pleased and intrigued to see that startups and entrepreneurs, wherever they are and whatever they do, they are always very dedicated and very engaged with what they do, and they push very hard in order to succeed, in order to make something valuable for the environment, for the society, for the community, globally. And I think that those startups that I have met in this mini course are really lucky, and they have a very valuable experience by being, as I said, embraced, consisted by the ZISER team, which are really, really the best ones, the most professional ones, the ones that are really eager to enable any type of strategy and facilities for the startups. So I wish all of you the best of luck. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Looking forward to see how did you succeed. Bye bye.